Discover the Tyent difference, beauty water. Did you know that you can use your Tyent water ionizer to make beauty water? It's one of my all-time favorite features. Beauty water is a high-quality face and hair toner that gives you a gorgeous youthful glow and silky shiny hair. Not only will you feel great drinking Tyent water, but with Tyent beauty water, you'll look great too. Tyent beauty water is so popular that celebrities like America's Next Top Model winner Keith Carlos and TV host and entertainment reporter Danielle Robay use it to keep their skin in tip-top shape. Check out their videos along with other celebrity videos on TyentUSA.com. For thousands of ways to use your Tyent water ionizer, check out our Ultimate Alkaline Water Uses Guide. It's a $60 value that's yours free with your Tyent water ionizer purchase. I reference my guide all the time throughout the day. Don't miss it. Order now. Visit TyentUSA.com or call our water ionizer experts at 855-893-6887. Talk to you soon. Buy once, buy right, buy Tyent.